Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Edward Jones. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Edward Jones account or app from your home screen. So once you have opened Edward Jones, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply hit the sign up button. After you do so, you will be redirected to this interface where all you need to do is simply type in the first 8 digits of your account number. Once you do so, you should now type in the date of birth according to month, date and year. So after you do this step, you need to now type in the SSN number, which is only the 4 last digits of your SSN number, and hit the next button to get redirected to the next page. Once you do so, you should follow the on-screen prompts which will help you create a sign up in Edward Jones. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.